Yo, my name is Zosh.
Yo, it's Young Static.
What's cracking, guys? This is Christian from Honda Vlogs.
Yo, vatos locos. This is Lazymangarage. And you know who you're watching?
You're watching Lazymangarage. You're watching Lazymangarage.
And you're watching Lazy Man's Garage.
Lazymangarage.
It's a late start for this fucking video, man. It is 1:36 in the afternoon. I woke up early because I came out here to do something, but it was just too damn cold, and I couldn't do anything. Like I would breathe or just speak, blink even, and you would see the fog, the smoke, come off. That's how fucking cold it was. So my original plan was to come outside and start grinding some stuff, but like I said, it was too damn cold. So now that I'm out here, it's not that cold. I'm gonna grind some stuff, put you guys on the laps, and see how that goes. So I got a little crazy and carried away with welding, so I kind of did this right here. But like I welded all this, and then like that got welded all the way through, and welded this, and still got this stuff to do. I haven't hit it. I haven't hit it yet. Sorry about that. But I got all this right here done. As you can hear, this is just a little spackle that comes off, falling off of it right now. I need a angle grinder in order to get into these tight spots. And I hope I didn't fuck up, because as I was welding these seams right here together, I I think I burnt a hole through it right here. And I just saw light coming in from the top. So I think I hope I didn't fuck that up. Because if so, I'm gonna fucking cry.
Oh, that's George's jacket right there. Hey, George.
There it goes.
Oh, my hat. Boom! The wave.
Damn, it is pouring out here.
I know it's slippery. And we're in the trees, bro. Like, we're in the trees and it's fucking pouring.
Did you get it?
Bro, you gotta run up the street and put it down. We're up there.
Look at how he put his hood locks on. They're actual locks.
Fuck with that.
This is Rico, and this is his car. Original Type R motor with Type R transmissions. And high-end headers. The Megan strut bar going on. That cold air intake. I see direct nitrous port injection.
Hell yeah, dude. For sure.
I see he has a cold air intake. Enough nitrous to blow the welds off the intake manifold.
I can probably push the world. Pushing about the world's worth
I haven't
of weight.
seen it since you cleaned it.
Yeah, it looks pretty decent now. And it's not leaking because it doesn't have all that bullshit going on. I don't know, you can't see that. This is, yeah.
There it is, boy. B18C. You almost dropped your phone. I saw that. But damn, this shit is clean. This is gonna go into his Del Sol that he has. Whenever he brings over his Del Sol, I'll show you guys what that looks like.
You gotta bring that.
But as of now, this is in here. He bought the car for $500, and the guy said that he couldn't get it running right. He got it running right, and he got it tuned the next day. It's pushing 200. Wait, what is it?
200, about, well, 199.3 if we're being technical, so just under 200.
Just under 200.
On stock everything, stock cams. The only thing is it still has a header, the cold air intake, and that's about it. And then we're on a tuned Mishimoto radiator, but I mean that doesn't really make a difference. Just keeps it cool. But yeah, we got it to 199.3 with CRX Frank from AF Tuning. Shows definitely. I mean, I brought it in there fucking. When I brought it in there, it was pushing 87 horses.
87.
87 to the wheels, and it wasn't even have it didn't have VTEC technically because it wasn't engaging since we had a check engine light, and with the check engine light, it wouldn't let VTEC engage. So no VTEC, and we were making 87 to the wheels. And then after I left, we were making 199.3.
Shout out to Frank. Frank, if you ever watch my videos, shout out to you. But he's gonna take this motor out. I don't know what motor you're gonna throw in here,
It's a D15B7, a single cam non-VTEC. It's what's gonna go in here after this comes out.
And then you're gonna sell the car?
Either that. It's probably never gonna be sold. I'll probably either give it to my sister for her to learn how to drive manual transmission, and it'll be her first car, or I'll keep it for myself and we'll just boost the fucking single cam non-VTEC.
That'll be sick. So I have a confession. I'm getting rid of the K series. I don't have K series money, so I'm going to be getting rid of this K series. Hopefully, I'll have enough money to get a GSR. Rico is shaking his head no. He's saying no to me getting rid of the K, or no, me no, or to keeping it.
Put the K.
I don't have going K series CRX money. Yeah, I gotta start selling like crack. But where would I find drugs? Oh, anywhere in San Bernardino. But
My house is pretty sure like within like 30 steps of here, there's plenty of drugs.
down the street there's a flop house.
Oh yeah, the corner house.
Yeah, the corner house. But what up, Mike?
What's up, guys? Follow me on SoundCloud, Rome XIII.
.com.
Also, check out my indie project, Dage Creek.
Indie project.
It's gonna be on a different SoundCloud. Link in the description below.
You better send
Also, follow my IG.
your IG's on there.
Well, follow it. It's gonna pop up right here.
No, it's not gonna pop up. It might pop up.
Magic.
It might pop up. But I'm gonna be getting rid of the K series. Hopefully, getting a GSR with the money, paying off my friend for the motor, and I can go LS VTEC, get that all squared away, get that setting done, and then yeah, it'll have a home, the CRX. Okay, so what I'm going to show you is I got Louise a Circuit Hero shift plate from JHP USA. When removing your boot, there is 2 Phillips screws, one in here and here on each side where my finger is, and then just a slot that it just slides into. Same, come on guy, work with me here. Same concept, just different design. It'll work exactly the same, just screws on in. But the only hard part I have with this whole fucking thing is getting this adhesive gasket to go around. Cause man, I just think of, like, look how tough it is. It's a bitch. But once this goes in there, maybe hit it with some mothers. Or unless he wants to keep it billet looking. Cause I mean, this is how it looks on the back. So, I don't know. Totally up to him, but we'll find out. In California, there's guys like this, you can see a fucking rainbow, but then there's sun. Like, what California, what the fuck are you thinking? Like, either stay cold or rain, fucking something, do it. Like, stop being a bitch. Now, after when you get the gasket on there, this is how it's gonna look. Sorry if I'm shaky, it's kind of fucking cold out here. But this is how it's gonna look. You gotta cut the axis or extra, whatever the fuck you want to call it. You got to cut the extra shit that you won't be using and make it bend into the last corner where it meets up, and it'll look. Then when installing, you place it back in how you would a regular shift boot, and it bolts in right there. So I'm going to screw these in right quick. Get that part. Set it in there by hand so I don't fuck that up. And then on this side, another one goes right here. Now I just uses these factory OEM holes, and then you just screw it on in, like so. When you're done, this is how it looks. Now you can go by and clean it up. Use this shirt. Sorry, Louise. Clean that up real quick. Hold on, let me just give this a little rub down real quick. Hold on, guys. And about out. There it is. Now let's put this inside the car and see how this looks with the K2 shifter. Okay, so take the console, put it on over, like so. I don't know why there's a toy in the way. Louise, you ain't got no kids. And, hold on. God damn it. And this goes right there. Boom. Okay. Now it lines up, and that's how it will look with the shifter in place. After, of course, we put it in, that's how it'll look, just like that. Which I don't think looks bad at all. You could put like a something here if you wanted to cover it up underneath, but I think that looks sick. So it's another random day here, and sorry I haven't been filming as much, but I've been going through some shit. But let's get into this. So since I got my fenders pre-cut with carbon fiber backing on the back of it, I got Bondo thanks to the boys at Players Club who told me what to get. I'm going to sand this down to metal as much as I can using the sander. Get rid of all stuff like this, you know, smoothing this out. I fixed the dents because this was all caved in as much as like this all right here was sunk down. So I'm gonna sand all this, get rid of that because I don't need this because I have a new one. Fill in that hole. Try to bring out any dents like this one right here because I want this fender to be good. I don't want to spend another $250 or getting my fenders like this done again by buying new fenders. So I'm gonna try to save this one as much as I can. So I'm gonna be sanding down like stuff like this, and any little dent like that right there, it's gonna get covered with Bondo. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today, and I'm gonna do it to the other one as well. So let's see how this goes because I am not the fucking best with Bondo. Okay, here we go. You can almost smell the radioactive material that's coming right off. Fun fact, when Honda made this car, the paint code had radioactive material in it. No joke, you don't believe me, go look it up. This is what I got so far, all the way down to bare metal. Didn't do it on this side because I don't need to. Didn't do it on this side because I don't need to, but I'm gonna need to if I'm gonna fix that fucking hole right there and try to bend this out. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but as of now, I'm gonna close this video out right here because you know I got things to do on this, and I don't know how long that's gonna take because I got another fender to do. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you smack that like button. Please make sure you share this with your mom, your dad, your grandma, your grandpa, your dog, your friend, or whatever. If you guys need anything from Neo's Garage, a link will be down in the description down below. Anything from Activio Racing will also be down in the description down below. My name is Chris from Lazymangarage, and we get shit done when we feel like it. Peace.